Many people trying to rebuild their credit pay thousands of dollars to credit repair companies or debt negotiators. Or they spend their own time and money trying to settle their collection accounts one by one, all in the hopes of being creditworthy again. I wish they would speak to me first because I can show the fastest and least expensive way to become immediately creditworthy and have a 700 credit score again in less than 2 years. I'm Steven Skelton with the Skelton Law Firm. My wife Susan is the boss around here, and she has helped thousands of her clients improve their credit by first filing Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now, it seems a little counterintuitive that filing bankruptcy is the fastest way to repair credit, but it's true. In fact, no other method comes close in terms of speed, ease, or cost. It'll make more sense after I explain it, but here's a story that will shed some light. When I was a kid, I had a bruise on my arm that never went away because I had an older brother that would punch me in that same arm every time he walked by. The bruise would never heal because he would always hit me again before it could. Defaulted accounts treat your credit report like my brother treated my arm. They make it impossible for you to raise your score because every month they report again to the credit bureau about your delinquency. But did you know that after you file bankruptcy, your current creditors are never again allowed to report to the credit bureaus regarding those accounts? They can't say boo again. Like my older brother finally moving out of my parents' house enabled the bruise on my arm to heal, filing bankruptcy will allow your credit report to heal. And speaking of that, this is the most accurate thing you will hear all day. The only way to improve your credit is to borrow money and to pay it back. There is no other way, and anyone who tells you differently is uninformed. After all, a credit score is just a numerical reflection of how regularly you pay back the money that has been lent to you. And the good news for you is that credit card companies love people who just filed bankruptcy, and they will be happy to lend you money after you file. They will fill your mailbox with offers. We encourage you to take them up on it, and we will teach you how to use those cards to improve your credit faster than you ever thought possible. We will enroll you for free in the 7 Steps to a 700 Credit Score program after you discharge from your bankruptcy. This program will teach you the correct way to borrow money and to pay it back to have a 700 credit score again within 1 to 2 years of filing bankruptcy. Now, this isn't rocket science. Rather, it is step-by-step and easy-to-follow guidelines. Hundreds of our clients have successfully rebuilt their credit using this program after bankruptcy, and it will work for you too. Now, here's what you can expect after you file bankruptcy. First, you will no longer owe any of your unsecured debts. Credit cards, repossessions, charge-off, collection accounts, medical bills, it's all discharged. You don't owe anybody any of it anymore. The letters, calls, lawsuits, they all stop. Next, you will immediately have access to credit. As I said earlier, offers will come in the mail and you will be able to get several low-limit credit cards just as soon as your case is over. Now, 6 to 12 months down the road following the program, you will be a credit-worthy individual again with different banks competing for your business. And you will have access to enough credit to be okay if your transmission blows up or you need a new furnace at your house. And if you continue to follow the 7 Steps to a 700 Credit Score program, 1 to 2 years down the road, you will have a 700 credit score and you will be eligible for a mortgage. You can buy a house 2 years after a bankruptcy. Now, if what you want is the fastest, most effective, and least expensive path to being debt-free, credit-worthy, and building your financial future, please call me now. My direct line is 360-822-7224. I answer my phone personally, and I am happy to take some time to answer your questions and schedule your free conversation with Susan today. I'm Steven Skelton with the Skelton Law Firm, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for your time.